Here is the hot blast wood furnace. I've got my intake coming from the other room. That's going out to the chimney. These two lines here come out of the furnace and they tap into my return duct. And we have some wood stored away. Here's a little more wood. Nice chair. It's nice and toasty in here. In the back, we got a box made there. Goes around the motors. Let's see here. That's a little thing there to keep the thing nice and tight. Let's see how much we got in here. Ooh, that's all nice and full. That's nice and full. Let's see if that's hot. That's not too bad. Let's close this back up here. Then what we have here is this control. When the furnace kicks on, these relays actually kick on the air handler, and when the furnace runs out and it drops below a certain temperature in the house, the oil backup heat kicks on. So what we use oil as backup. This actually is our main heat in the winter. Keeps the house nice and toasty. You see there's the return. Let's unplug this light here real quick. It's going to get dark here for a minute. There's my return duct. The reason we do it in the return is that it doesn't blow out the vents in the wrong way. And then in here, there's our big return duct up there. Nice and hot air, and that's going into our furnace. Here is the line coming from the wood furnace. It taps into here, and that will turn on. Actually, it's right here. This is the line. That'll turn on our blower when our wood furnace kicks on. That is how we heat the house with wood.